How to send one-time view photos in Messenger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can send one-time view photos in Messenger app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is make sure that your Messenger app is updated to its latest version. For that, head over to your App Store or Google Play Store. Simply search for Messenger, hit enter, and check if there is an update available. If there is an update available here, tap on update to update your app. After you've done that, open it up and make sure that you're logged in. Now what you'll need to do is open up any chat here and tap on the camera icon. After you tap on the camera icon, take a picture, and after you've taken a picture, you will see this little option here that says off. Now if you turn that on, this will turn on the view once feature. If you tap on OK, as you can see right here, there are different features here. You will see that the view photo can only be viewed once, no screenshots or forwarding, and be safe and respectful. So now tap on OK. Now this is on view once. Now tap on send. If you want to save it to camera roll, you can save it as well. And there we have it. That is how you can send view once photos in Messenger. Thanks for watching guys. That is basically all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.